to gogolaygo. If we haven't met yet, my name's Layla. And where do we want to start today? Well, I'm not an organized person. I never have been. My brain is cluttered and my space reflects that. Although I did just clean the living room and the kitchen this weekend, so it's not looking as bad as it usually does. But there's one more room left to do. My closet. I can't even open the door all the way because there's a whole pile of clothes behind it. Remember there was an episode in Friends where Monica has a secret closet? So this basically sums up my apartment right now. So today I'm gonna be doing an extreme closet clean out, and I will be trying on all the pieces that I'm on the fence about, and I'll number the items in the video so you can comment the number down below and let me know which one you think I should keep. Alright, without further ado, let's bring back some good old Marie Kondo actions. Oh, he recognizes. That's Boba's bandana. You want your bandana? That's very cute. Okay, let's put it on you. So handsome. Oh, what a handsome boy. Ooh, fun story time. I actually met Marie Kondo once in real life, and she's an absolute gem of a person. I used to work for this company called The Skin, and they make daily newsletters and stuff, so it's a media company. So sometimes celebrities would show up to the office for I don't know, their new Netflix series or something. So yeah, like one day Marie Kondo just like walked up to my corner of the office, and she's so pretty and so tiny and petite, and you know, kind of what you'd imagine a fairy to look like. I was so starstruck. I was a hot mess. I wanted to tell her so much how inspired I was by her, but then the only word, or rather sound, that my dumbass managed to utter was hug, and then she gave me a hug. And after that, we even named our database Kondo, you know, after her. Anyways, a little engineering joke for you nerds out there. And then one thing she famously said is arrange by category, not location. So I'm just gonna put everything in their own pile. So sweaters will have their sweaters pile, and then donation will have their donation. Oh my god, why do I even keep this bag? It's so wrinkly. My NYU tote bag. I should probably keep this though. I don't know, I kind of want to salvage it. Maybe a flat iron could work. Active leisure. Jeez, I still have the tag on this thing. See these sweatpants that I got from Alo Yoga? I love these because they fit so well, but then look how shitty the quality is. This top is so cute, but it makes me look a little washed out, so we're gonna have to say goodbye. Ooh, I've been looking for this beanie for forever. Alright, so I put everything that I'm on the fence about on a little clothing rack. Let's do a little try on. I came up with 4 rules for myself. Rule number 1, does it still fit? I have a tendency to hold on to cute items that no longer fit me, thinking that one day I'll be able to squeeze myself into them again. But lately, I've been feeling like those thoughts are holding me back because I'm essentially reinforcing a negative thought that the current me isn't slim enough, pretty enough, good enough, whatever enough. And it's time to free myself from that bullshit. Rule number 2. Is it versatile? Meaning I can style it multiple ways and it will still look fresh and interesting paired with other pieces in my wardrobe. I know we live in a materialistic world and fashion always seems to evolve so quickly, thanks to social media, that the minute something gets shipped to you, it already went out of style. But I'm a big supporter of normalizing outfit repeat because good quality clothings are made to last. Summer dresses are good examples. You can always throw on a cool jacket to spice things up. Also, pairing them with sneakers versus heels versus boots totally change up your vibes. Rule number 3. Do I already own something similar? Another trap that I often fall into is not remembering that I own something that looks kinda different, but not really. Guys, I'm like seriously embarrassed. I have the same exact dress. Like what? Why? Why do I have the same maxi dress? The god of sustainable clothing must be so disappointed in me right now. Hence the importance to simplify my wardrobe and tidying up periodically so that I can buy with more consciousness and intent. Oh, and I forgot to mention that I'm absolutely throwing away things that's damaged if I'm not willing to fix it. Rule number 4. Have I worn this at all? Perhaps only once? Here's a power suit that I bought thinking I was gonna wear it to a special occasion. But surprise, surprise, I never did. I'm conflicted. Here's another dress that I rarely wear because the chest area is a little bit too low and overall it's showing a lot of skin, so I always feel a little self-conscious when I'm wearing it. My only problem with this dress is it might be a little too revealing. Although it is super cute, so I might just keep it. Alright, so that was the last outfit I have for ya. Also, no one told me how long it takes to film try-on videos. I now have a new appreciation for those who film like 100 outfits at one go. Alright, so this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I certainly did. I'm very happy now that my space is nice and clean, and I feel like I gained a lot of mental clarity because of that, so... Ooh, shit. Sorry. I'm so happy that we get to hang out. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Yeah. Alright, so